guys, we're back at Aldi for a £5 challenge. And today, can you get a roast dinner for a £5? Lucy, you accept the challenge?
Accepted.
Okay, see you later. Here we go then. I've got the little man. Let's see what she can do.
Let's get to it.
Come on then. Right, where are we going to first, Lou?
Meat always first.
Okay, meat. What kind of meat are you going to get?
Chicken, gonna look at the chicken, gonna look at the beef, gonna look at the gammon, gonna look at everything. As a full chicken too expensive, could have got portions, but I'm gonna go and have a look at the ham.
What are you at the back there for?
The individual price ones though. £2.91.
Nice, £2.91. Right, where are we to now, Lou?
Yorkies.
Yorkies, nice. How much are they?
50p.
50p, nice.
So the frozen veg is a bit out of budget, so we're gonna go to fresh.
Fresh veg, eh? Ooh. Right, the fresh veg. What are we getting here? Some carrots.
24p.
24p. That's a bargain.
Potatoes, 45p.
45p potatoes.
53p.
53p for the broccoli. Nice. Right, got about 37 pence left, Lou. What is it?
Stuffing 35.
Stuffing 35. There you go. I reckon that's about a £5. Let's get to the tills, tally it up, and get home and cook it. And there it is. Lou, easy challenge?
Not.
Wasn't an easy challenge, but you did well, you did well. We'll use our own gravy. But yeah, I think you did well. There you go, £4.98. And keep the change as well. There, she did it. I can't believe she did that. And we are going to use our own gravy. Was it hard?
Chickens were expensive.
Yeah, we are going to use our own gravy. But I think she did well. Comment down below if you think she did well. Lucy, quick one. How are you cooking the gammon?
Slowy.
Slow cooker? Fair enough, let's go. Right, the gammon. How much was it again, Lou?
£2.91.
£2.91. How are you cooking it?
In the
little slow cooker. Nice. Whoa, go easy on that girl. Okay, you're adding what?
Honey.
Do. Oh, honey. Right, so you've got carrots, broccoli, Yorkie puddings, potatoes, and
Stuffing.
And how are you cooking the potatoes?
I'm going to do mash and roasted.
Right, well, I'll leave you with them carrots, Lou. I'm going to go and watch a bit of football. Catch you in a bit. How's it going, Lou B?
All good, thank you.
You're doing very well, right? You cut all the carrots.
Mash.
Oh, you peeled the potatoes as well.
Do you want these mashed?
How are we doing this big tree?
Sticking it in the pan.
Oh, nice. And I think we'll have mashed carrots. Yes, mashed carrots is nice. I've noticed that's a bit like Paxo as well, isn't it? What's it called? How do you pronounce that?
Quixo.
Quixo?
It's actually nicer than Paxo.
You like it better?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Are you not going to cut it up?
Cut it after.
You're going to cut it after? Genius! When it's all nice and soft. Oh, the carrots are going in. The carrots are going in. Potatoes are going in.
So look at this.
Oh, that is looking great. That. Oh my God, it smells beautiful. Right, making the stuffing. The stuffing's going in the air fryer. Okay, 20 minutes on the stuffing. What are we doing now, Lou?
Potatoes in the air fryer.
A nice roast potatoes coming up. Now we get the old fry light on it. And a bit of rosemary. Nice. And just to confirm, it's not fry light, it's spray light from Aldi. Right, the water's going on the broccoli stick. I can't believe you haven't cut it up. I've never seen it being cooked like this before. Lucy, look at the time, love. Look at the time.
What?
Look at the time.
What?
Look at the time. Little bit of time. No. Oh my God, it's time to come out. What are we doing now with it?
Gonna let it rest.
Okay. Rest, little ham, rest. Okay, time to mash potatoes. We're saving the carrot water for the gravy. I like it.
The stuffing's ready.
Okay. Oh, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Get that on the table.
In go the Yorkies.
Oh my God, that ham looks so good. Look at that. £2.91 for that. Bargain. One thing I will say, you don't get slices like that in Toby Carvery. They're massive. We all do it. That's gorgeous. That is beautiful. I'll tell you what, Lou, now since you've cut it, I didn't realise there was that much. There's actually loads, isn't there? I didn't realise you got that much meat. The broccoli is coming out. Right, Lucy, I'm ready for you to plate up now. Here we go. Let's go. What's first?
How many slices?
Oh, enough. Come on then. Give it to Daddy. Oh, get in there. Look at that. The roasties are going on. Nice.
They would have been nicer deep fat fried, but
Healthy eating. We got beeps going on. Time to get the carrots on. Make you see better at night, these. Nice mashed carrots. Oh, and we're getting mashed potato as well as roasties. Love it. Time to carve the broccoli. Brilliant idea, that. Here we go. Get them greens on the plate. Yes, please. Okay, one more.
And how many Yorkies?
How many do you think you can fit on? Let's go for it. Okay, 1. Okay, 2. Let's go. Here we go. 3. Oh, we're getting 3 on. Oh, we're getting 4, 5. Okay, I reckon there's room for more. 6, 7. That'll do me, love. Thank you very much. Well, there you go. Look at that. Just get a bit of stuffing on as well. I think we could just squeeze a little bit of that on there. And even Peggy and Ian are getting some gammon as well. Enjoy. I wish I could do this in slow motion. Pour the gravy on. Let's have a look at this. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Lucy's putting jam on her dinner. Weird. Right, let's get a bit of Ken on. A bit of Ken. And a bit of Deirdre. There we go. And let's enjoy roast dinner. £2.50 each. Lucy, you've done amazing. Let's try it. Well, there you go, guys. Lucy smashed the challenge. £5 for 2 roast dinners on a Sunday. Guys, get yourself to Aldi and see if you can do any better. Enjoy and have a great day. 9 out of 10.